becoming smoke. Look at that. So soft and so buttery and so fluffy. You can make this at home for your family, your friends, and loved ones. So yummy. Very easy to make. Let's make it. Cup of milk, butter, sugar, egg, flour, salt, yeast, pour in a mixing bowl. Add yeast to the milk and sugar. Sugar helps to activate the yeast faster in the warm milk. Leave for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes add melted butter. Mix, add a little bit of salt and add 1 egg. Mix thoroughly. Add flour. I'm going to use my hand to knead the dough. If it's too hard, add little water. If it's too soft, add little flour. I put it on my work surface. So I'm gonna knead this for 10 minutes. So soft. So I'm greasing my pan with some butter. I'm gonna cut my dough into 12 places, 12 equal sizes. Roll it like so. and repeat the process for the rest. It's all done. I'm going to let this rest for an hour. I'll cover it. This is after 1.5 hours. I'm going to use my egg wash to just seal it up on top to give it that nice looking shine. Now it's done. I'm going to take it into the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees, and my bread rolls are ready. So I'm just brushing it with some butter to give it some super shine. So easy. You can make this at home. Call them bread rolls. I call them dinner rolls. So nice and so soft. Still very hot. I almost got burnt. This is a must try. Try it at home and let me know what you think. Homemade is the best. There's nothing like it. You can add some butter to that if you like. See how yummy that looks.